Hey, let's go over how to draw a Ninja Turtle, okay? It's gonna be simple and for beginners. So let's get started. It's gonna be kind of an angry Ninja Turtle, okay? So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start with a curve over here on this side. Curve over here on this side. Pull underneath. Gonna go over here for the nose. Curve along the nose. Pulling back for the kind of the headband. Curve around the side, curve around the side. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Top of one eye. Top of the other eye. Gonna go over here, draw a curve for the top of the head. Line here. Line out. Pull in. Out. Curve. Down over here. Up for the eye. Curve in. Down over here. Curve over here on this side. For that eye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Curve in here. Line right here for the mouth. Curve out for that anger look. Down. Curve underneath. Down. Curve underneath. Line. Line over here. Gonna go for the teeth. Kind of like boom, boom, boom. Small lines coming from there, just for the teeth there. If you want, you can throw the gum line right here. Gum line right there. Gum line right there. And gonna fill this in. Fill this in on this side. Line over here. And that's it. That is a quick Ninja Turtle head. Hopefully they'll short, sweet, and to the point. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.